Meet Analog, the simplest productivity system. Here's how it works. Analog divides tasks into 3 cards: today, next, and someday. At the beginning of the day, take out a new Today card and write up to 10 things that you want to get done. These can be anything. Just make sure you're thinking about what's important, not just what's urgent. Sometimes it's only 2 or 3 things. If you use a digital tool to track your work, physically copying down your tasks gives you a tangible, distraction-free view of the items you want to focus on today. Throughout the day, use the task signals to mark each task as completed, in progress, or delegated. Feel free to create your own signals too. At the end of the day, use the card signal to rate how productive you were. For example, if you complete your entire card, fill in all 3 dots. Or you can also use the card signal to tie together related projects. So all work projects might get 2 dots, and all home projects might get 1 dot. It's a nice way to keep things together. At the start of the next day, carry over any unfinished tasks onto a new Today card, or transfer these to a Next card if they can wait. The Next cards hold your tasks that are on deck. These are things that you need to get done, but not today. You can move these to your Today card when you're ready to work on them. And the Someday card is for capturing big picture goals or any idea that doesn't have a specific timeline. These can be ideas that you might want to revisit in the future. The solid wood base keeps your Today card where your important tasks belong, directly in front of you. Your priorities for today are always in sight and within reach, while the magnetic divider keeps the rest of your cards stashed neatly, ready for tomorrow. The dot grid pattern on the back of the card is great for taking notes or quickly sketching something out. I use this all the time when I'm on calls. And that's the basic framework of Analog. It's a simple, repeatable process that you can tailor to however you like to work. In a world full of digital distractions, some things are simply better analog.